Ladies, let's be honest. Aging is a natural part of life, and there's absolutely nothing wrong with it. But looking older than you actually are? That's a whole different story. The truth is, many women are unknowingly doing things every day that add years to their appearance. It's not just about wrinkles or gray hair. It's about how you carry yourself, how you dress, and how you show up in the world. So today, we're talking about 7 common mistakes that instantly make women look way older than they are, and more importantly, what to do instead. If you want to keep your look fresh, youthful, and confident without trying to dress like a teenager, this video is for you. Stick around till the end, because number 6 is something nearly every woman gets wrong, even the stylish ones. Mistake number 1, wearing outdated or ill-fitting clothes. Fashion is supposed to evolve with you, not work against you. But one of the biggest mistakes women make as they get older is clinging to outdated styles or wearing clothes that don't fit their body anymore. We all have that one favorite pair of jeans or a top from years ago that we refuse to give up. But what looked amazing in 2008 might not be doing you any favors today. Outdated prints, overly baggy clothes, or clothes that are just too tight can all age you visually. And then there's the issue of fit. Clothes that are either too loose or too tight can instantly make you look frumpy or like you're trying too hard. What to do instead? Invest in timeless pieces with flattering cuts. Get your clothes tailored. It can completely transform your look. Focus on balance. Fitted where it counts, comfortable where needed. Remember, looking youthful isn't about dressing younger, it's about dressing smarter. Mistake number 2, overdoing or underdoing your makeup. Let's talk makeup, because it can either be your best friend or your worst enemy. Too much makeup, especially heavy foundation or a thick eyeliner, can settle into fine lines and draw attention to areas you might actually want to soften. On the flip side, not wearing any makeup at all, or skipping key steps like defining your brows or adding color to your lips, can wash you out and make you look tired and older. Common makeup mistakes that age you: using matte or cakey foundation, neglecting your eyebrows, skipping blush, overlining the eyes with black liner, using dark, drying lipsticks. What to do instead? Use a light, hydrating foundation or BB cream. Define your brows, they frame your face. Add blush for a fresh, youthful glow. Go for soft eyeliner and lift the eyes subtly. Choose lip colors with a bit of moisture and brightness. Makeup is about enhancement, not camouflage. Keep it fresh, dewy, and light, and you'll instantly knock years off your look. Mistake number 3, sticking with the same hairstyle for years. You know that saying, if it ain't broke, don't fix it? Well, that doesn't always apply to your hairstyle. A style that looked amazing in your 20s might not be doing you justice today. Hair changes texture as we age. It thins, dries, and sometimes loses its bounce. The mistake? Holding onto an outdated haircut, flat styles, or too harsh color tones. Super dark shades can harden your features, while overly long, shapeless cuts can drag your face down and make you look tired. What to do instead? Consult with a stylist who understands face shapes and modern cuts. Add layers or movement to bring life back into your hair. Consider softer highlights or dimension to brighten your look. Update your cut every few years. Even a small tweak can make a big difference. Youthful isn't about going short or blonde. It's about having healthy, well-styled hair that frames your face beautifully. Mistake number 4, poor posture and low body confidence. You could have the best outfit, perfect makeup, and great hair, but if your posture and energy are off, it'll age you instantly. Slouched shoulders, looking down, or crossing your arms in insecurity can make you appear not just older, but smaller, less vibrant, and even less attractive. And body language doesn't just affect how others see you, it affects how you feel about yourself. What to do instead? Stand tall, shoulders back, chin up, core engaged. Walk with purpose and grace. Smile. A genuine smile makes everyone look more youthful. Practice self-love. Confidence truly radiates. How you carry yourself is a big part of how youthful and magnetic you appear to the world. Mistake number 5, neglecting the little details. Hands, neck, teeth. Want to know a secret? When people try to guess your age, they don't just look at your face. They look at the small, often overlooked areas. Your hands, your neck, and your teeth. Dry, unmoisturized hands with chipped nail polish, A neck that's been skipped in your skincare routine, teeth that have dulled over time. These are subtle giveaways that can age you dramatically. What to do instead? Treat your hands and neck with the same care as your face. Moisturize, protect from the sun, and exfoliate. Keep nails neat, even if they're short, clean, nude, or neutral shades are timeless. Consider teeth whitening or just good oral hygiene. It's one of the fastest ways to refresh your whole look. Mistake number 6, dressing too conservatively or too trendy. This one's tricky because it's all about balance. A lot of women, as they get older, fall into 2 style traps. Number 1, dressing too conservatively, thinking they need to cover up or play it safe. Number 2, trying too hard to look young by chasing every trend or wearing overly youthful clothing. Both approaches can actually make you look older, either by aging your style or by drawing attention to the fact that you're trying too hard. What to do instead? Build a capsule wardrobe of flattering basics and quality pieces. Show off your best features, whether that's your legs, neckline, or waist. Mix modern touches with classic style. Add one trend at a time, a bag, a shoe, or a pop of color, not head to toe. Mistake number 7, negative self-talk and comparison. Finally, let's talk about something you can't see in the mirror, but it shows up in every interaction you have, your inner dialogue. Women who constantly compare themselves to younger women, criticize their own appearance, or believe they've lost their glow, end up carrying that energy with them. That energy ages you more than any wrinkle ever could. What to do instead? Start speaking to yourself with compassion. Celebrate what your body has done for you, not what it's lost. Surround yourself with people and content that uplift you. Remember, confidence is timeless, and so is your beauty. The most attractive women are the ones who love themselves fully, loudly, unapologetically. Here's the bottom line. You don't need to chase youth. You just need to celebrate the version of you that exists right now. Style, confidence, self-care, and joy. Those things are always youthful. If this video helped you see things differently, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Relationship Advices, and drop a comment below. Which mistake surprised you the most? Remember, aging is a privilege, but looking and feeling your best, that's a choice. And you've got all the power. Watch next 10 Things Women Wear That Instantly Attract Men. Subscribe for weekly confidence, style, and dating tips. Music fades out.